Hello friend, you're welcome back again to my YouTube channel. We are still on column constraints in SQL Server. So we have discussed unique constraints and the not null constraints. Now we'll be discussing another constraint that combines the power of both together, and that is the primary key. The primary key allows you to be able to make your rows unique and at the same time not accept any null value. So the primary key can only be one in a table. It is the unique identifier for that table that other keys can connect to in other table. In the next video, we'll talk about the foreign key. Foreign keys can be more than one in a table, but the primary key will always be one. And when it's a primary key, it cannot contain null and it cannot be duplicate. Now let's see how that works on the computer. So I have my create table query here that allows me to create a table called influencer. So probably we have a store that uses different influencers and we have a separate table for them. So I've created my table here and I want to insert into my table. I have told you that primary key will not accept duplicate values on it, and we have set our ID to be primary key. Now let's try to run this and see what happens. As you can see, it is a violation of the primary key constraint. So the two IDs cannot be the same. Let's try another way to make the primary key not work in this case. So let's assume we are not providing ID. We have not set the ID to be an identity column and we are not providing it. So that means we are saying that by not providing it, it is going to be null. If it was another column, this might work. Another column that accepts null, but in this case that it's a primary key, it's not going to work because it says cannot insert the value null into column ID. So definitely we have to provide our ID, and let's set this back to what they were and make it finally correct. So now let's try inserting with the correct values, distinct values with no null. And we see that our primary key has been correctly inserted. So we can easily select star from influencer now. And we see that our table has been created successfully. So that is how the primary key works. It helps you to guide against nulls. And every time there's an input on that table, there has to be an ID. Even if different influencers have the same name, they cannot have the same ID. And that is how our primary key or our ID helps us to guide against data quality issues that might arise when you're doing business intelligence.
If you have watched the video to this point and you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to this channel. Please subscribe to this channel so that the YouTube algorithm will share the video with others like you that wants premium SQL content like this or that wants to learn. So if you subscribe, you're also encouraging others to learn what you're learning. Kindly subscribe and put on the notification bell so that whenever I upload a new video, you will be notified that another video has been. Thank you for watching. I will see you in the next one. Bye.